recently US President Mr. Donald Trump took control over Venezuela. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇವಾಗ ಅವರು is eyeing on Greenland. So what is the importance of Greenland? Greenland ಯಾಕೆ US ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್? What is the geographical location of Greenland? What is the strategical importance of Greenland for both USA and Russia? ಇವಾಗ ಗ್ರೀನ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನ್ಯಾಟೋ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಲೈಮ್ಲೈಟ್. ನ್ಯಾಟೋ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು? At the same time, because of this Greenland issue, NATO as an international institution weaken agutta. Weaken adre what are the implications? International relations ಅಲ್ಲಿ what are the implications? ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ dimensions ನೀವು in detail ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ see this complete video. Recently US President Donald Trump ಒಂದು warning statement ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ on controlling Greenland. Okay, and at the same time he is ready to take military actions over Greenland also. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Greenland news ಇದೆ. From exam perspective ನಾವು Greenland geographical location, strategical importance one by one ನೋಡೋಣ. At the same time Greenland news ಇದ್ದಾಗ NATO is also in news. So what is NATO? Static part of NATO ನೋಡೋಣ, and also NATO plus 5 countries ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ will see, and at the same time we'll try to solve one practice questions. Okay. From exam perspective, geographical location of Greenland ನೋಡೋಣ. It is close to Arctic Circle. Water bodies ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? See, one important water body is Baffin Bay. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು important ಅಂದ್ರೆ it divides Canada from Greenland. And you have Davis Strait ಅಥವಾ ಡೇವಿಸ್ ಜಲಸಂಧಿ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಟು ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? It is Baffin Bay will get connected Labrador Sea. So Davis Strait will connect two water bodies. One is Baffin Bay and the other one is Labrador Sea. Now when you go to east only one more important jalasandhi ಇದೆ. It's Denmark Strait. So Denmark Strait ಎರಡು water bodies in connect ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. It is the Greenland Sea will get connected to Irminger Sea. These are important ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ these straits were already asked in MCQ based questions. Greenland capital ಯಾವುದು? Greenland capital is Nuuk. Nuuk ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? It is in the south part of Greenland. Okay, Greenland capital is Nuuk, and one more very important place in Greenland ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is Pitifik or Thule. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಪಿಟಿಫಿಕ್ or Thule is important ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is because of the USA air base ಅಥವಾ space base present in this region. So Pitifik ಎಲ್ಲಿರೋದು northern part of the Greenland. Now political status of Greenland ನೋಡೋಣ. See, Greenland ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದ್ವೀಪ. This is the basic fact. ಇದರ population is almost 55,000. Greenland ಅಲ್ಲಿ Inuits ಅನ್ನೋ population is dominated. Your population INUITs, Inuits. This can be an important fact for your exams. Inuits ಅನ್ನೋ population ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? It is usually in Greenland, Alaska and the northern part of Canada ನಲ್ಲಿ you will see this population. See, as a student ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು how Greenland is linked to Denmark. Okay, first Greenland was a Danish colony. Then later, it became an autonomous province of Denmark. Autonomous province of Denmark andrenu. See, certain few sectors is under the direct control of Denmark government. Adyadu sectors andre it is defense, monetary policy and foreign affairs. All these three comes under the direct control of Denmark government. Internal matters matra Greenland can take and independent decisions. Adike we'll call it as an autonomous province of Denmark. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು very important question ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ is Greenland directly a NATO member? ಇಲ್ಲ, Greenland is not a NATO member, but it is indirectly a NATO member through Denmark. Political status I've already explained it. See, if USA is eyeing on Greenland, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೋ ಒಂದು strategic importance ಕೂಡ ಇರಬೇಕು. Now one by one we'll see the strategic importance of Greenland. The location of Greenland itself is important. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ see, it is between USA. USA, Alaska ಇದೆ, and Russia. You have Russia here. This is Arctic Circle. Remember Arctic Circle? So one side of the circle you will see Russia, the other side of the circle you will see USA, Canada. I already mentioned you. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು USA ನ ಏರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇದೆ. What is that air base? It's Thule. Or ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಅಂತೀವಿ. It's either Thule or Pacific. This can be a direct question also. ಎಲ್ಲಿರೋದು? It's in Greenland. See, if it is very important ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is the first zone where USA can monitor any ballistic missiles of Russia. IR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು GIUK gap ಕೂಡ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. This is also a strategically very important gap. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು choke point which connects Arctic region with North Atlantic Ocean. Okay. GIUK ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು will understand. G stands for Greenland, I stands for Iceland, and UK United Kingdoms. ಯಾಕಿದು USA ಗೆ and Russia ಗೆ importance ಅಂದ್ರೆ, see right now it is under the control of USA or the NATO member countries. ಈ region ಇಂದ USA can directly monitor submarines of Russia. And also Russia's navy movement kuda ee region inda they can monitor. So GIUK gap becomes very important. Now if USA has control over this Greenland, the monitoring becomes even more easier. Aurge exclusive economic zone kuda complete control sigutte. So why did Donald Trump took control over Venezuela? Because of oil. Okay. And at the same time, why is he eyeing on the Greenland? And the one major importance of Greenland in on the rare earth minerals. Greenland has abundant rare earth minerals. So what is this rare earth minerals? See, ಈ rare earth minerals na ನಾವು green technology use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. As simple as certain smartphones, ballistic missiles use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, space technology use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. See, the crisis with rare earth minerals ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ about 60 to 90% of mining plus production is under the control of China. Ivaga, if China disrupts the supply chain, it will be a threat to other countries. So USA, other alternatives now. Okay, USA is now trying to think about other alternatives and also trying to disrupt this monopoly. China ki yav monopoly ideo adin disrupt ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ try ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. One best option is Greenland. See, USA hatra almost 1.8 million metric rare earth minerals ಇದೆ. Only in Greenland has about 1.5 million metric of rare earth minerals. Just by controlling Greenland, USA can double its rare earth minerals. Yes, it can. This is the only reason why USA is targeting Greenland. See, because of global warming, ice sheets melt ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, and so ಈ Arctic region ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೊಸ sea routes ಕೂಡ different countries are exploring. Russia came up with the North Sea route, and at the same time now USA is also exploring Northwest Passage. First now Russia the North Sea route ನೋಡೋಣ. It passes from Barents Sea to Bering Strait. It is under the Russia's exclusive economic zone. This is quite a successful sea route which is in Arctic. Though now it is trying to act as an alternative to Suez Canal sea route. Ivaga USA to take control over this, they have started the Northwest Passage. ಇದು ಯಾವ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಫನ್ ಬೇ ಇದೆ, and it also passes through Alaska, which is part of USA. ಈ ಸಿ ರೂಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ USA needs to take control over Greenland. See, examiner illi they can directly ask the location of Northwest Passage or the North Sea route. Remember, North Sea route is under the control of Russia right now. Northwest Passage, USA is planning. As I said you earlier, Greenland is an autonomous province of Denmark. So Donald Trump statements ke athwa Donald Trump warning statement ke Denmark is agreeing. No, Denmark is not agreeing. At the same time, NATO, the European member states kuda, they're not agreeing for this. Or ಏನಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ because of this act, NATO as an institution weak ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ even NATO European member countries are giving statements. So NATO is also in news. Very quick ಆಗಿ we'll understand what is NATO. See, soon after Second World War, ಈ Western Bloc countries came together to protect themselves. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನ್ಯಾಟೋ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಟೋ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಟ್ರೀಟಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು? 1949. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ದರ್ ಓನ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಟೋ ವಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಥ್ರೂ ವಿಚ್ treaty anta barbodu. It is established to Washington Treaty. When we are talking about NATO, we need to also discuss Article 5 and Article 4 of NATO. So first Article 5 nodana. What is Article 5? Article 5 states collective defense. And the collective defense andre enu, if any non-member NATO country comes and attacks a NATO member country, avaga it will be considered as an attack on the entire NATO countries. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ನ್ಯಾಟೋ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ನ್ಯಾಟೋ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. So that particular country with all the NATO members country will go and attack the non-NATO member country. This is called as collective defense. Andre Article 4 is also in news. Enidu Article 4? See, Article 4 talks about sovereignty of the member countries. Ee situation alli namge sovereignty ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? No, Denmark is under pressure. At the same time, other European NATO member countries are also under pressure. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Article 4 is in news. At the same time, Article 4 also mentions about collective decision making. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ವೈ ನಡೀತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ 60 to 70% ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನ್ಯಾಟೋ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ದ USA. ಈ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಟೋನಲ್ಲಿ USA ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಡೊನಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಅದರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ USA ಅವರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ನ್ಯಾಟೋ. ಅದೇ ತರ ರಷ್ಯಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ Warsaw Pact. Remember what is this Warsaw Pact? E facts ella can be a direct questions, okay? When we are talking about NATO, we need to also talk about NATO plus 5 countries. Enidu NATO plus 5 countries andre all the NATO member countries plus other 5. Adu yavadu andre Australia, New Zealand, Japan, South Korea and Israel. All this for NATO plus 5 countries. Either already question ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So I'm mentioning it. See, from exam perspective, we need to also know who are the recent NATO members. 2023 ನಲ್ಲಿ we had Finland who joined NATO. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 2024 ಅಲ್ಲಿ Sweden joined NATO. These two are also important fact. I'll repeat once again. 2023 Finland, 2024 Sweden joined NATO. Now over a period of time, ivaga ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು how this situation will be controlled by European NATO member countries. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ how Donald Trump is going to deal with Denmark being a NATO member country. Okay, on the practice question ನೋಡೋಣ. It is the direct simple question. Try to give correct answer in the comment section. Thank you.